Hi, everybody. Most traders today saw SBFM after it had already exploded. But inside our Discord group, the institutional levels and decision areas were already plotted on our charts before the move even started. And that matters because this stock right here moved from $1.14 all the way up to $2.64. And that's over 110% range of opportunity. But the real story here isn't the hype, it's the preparation. And once you start understanding how to read a stock chart through structure, decision areas, and predictive price action, the market starts feeling a whole lot less emotional. Now, here's the important part. At 5:02 in the morning, Mountain Time, the Discord preparation alert had already identified this area right at $1.14, and that's support. And this entire area between about $1.14 and $1.24 was the decision zone. That means that this was the area that mattered before price started making the bigger move. Most beginners don't think like this yet. They see a giant green candle and they feel emotional pressure. They start wondering if they're missing it. And then they chase way too far from support. But look what this chart was actually doing. Price kept respecting the lower decision area. It pulled back, held structure, reclaimed, and continued stair-stepping higher. That's a completely different emotional experience than randomly reacting to candles. Now, this specific trade entry was around 5:07 a.m. Mountain Time, right here at around $1.22. And the reason that matters is because risk was still defined. The stop was around $1.18, which is this line right here, plotted by our institutional tool. And that's what newer traders need to understand. Good trading management is not just about finding movement. It's about understanding where risk is lower or even lowest before clicking the buy button. That alone changes everything psychologically because now the trade has structure. It has a plan. It has logic. And the very first target area was already identified ahead of time at around $1.53, which was this initial high of day. So instead of emotionally asking, should I buy this giant candle? The chart already had context. And that's a huge shift for small account trading. And this is the part I really want beginners to notice. Look how price behaved after reclaiming the lower area. It wasn't just one giant random candle. Price continued respecting this structure, pullback continuation, and after pushing through that 153 target area on strength, the trade management changed. The stop was trailed upward, first toward this $1.53 area, then later around $1.80 as the move kept strengthening. And that's important because this wasn't close your eyes and hope. This was active trade management. And inside our Momentum Stock Traders group, that's a huge part of what we work on together. Not just entries, but how to think through structure while the trade is actively developing. Now, meanwhile, most beginners were probably focused on the green candles themselves, but the candles were never the important part. The decision areas were, the institutional levels were, and the structure was. And that's why so many newer traders feel trapped emotionally. They're reacting to excitement instead of understanding where price is likely being pulled to next, like a magnet. Now, eventually, price pushed into this upper institutional level around $2.51. And this part matters too, because notice what started happening here. Price became overextended, and seller pressure started rivaling the buyers. So instead of emotionally hoping forever, the exit happened around 5:24 a.m. near that $2.51 level. And that means the trade duration was only about 17 minutes total during a move that ultimately represented a 109% range of opportunity on the chart. And again, the point isn't fantasy. The point is preparation, clarity, understanding structure, knowing where price is going to go next, and being pulled there like a magnet before the move even develops. So what are the key takeaways we can take from this trade? The chart is not just candles. It becomes a map when the important decision areas are already plotted on your chart. And honestly, That's one of the biggest shifts new traders go through when they stop emotionally chasing stocks and start learning predictive price action, especially now that more people are becoming curious about day trading with smaller accounts. But preparation is the edge. If you want your charts to show you exactly where price is being pulled to next, right down to the penny, if you want help understanding where risk is lowest before even clicking the buy button, and if you want real trade guidance on every single trade, instead of emotionally guessing your way through the market, join Momentum Stock Traders today and get these institutional levels plotted on your chart every single morning before the moves even start. You'll also get predictive price action guidance. You'll get the new Trader Clarity Map, the Discord preparation alerts, chart breakdowns, trade guidance throughout the day, scanners, charting tools, algos, and best of all, direct one-on-one mentoring from me personally every day in Discord. And you're also going to be a part of an amazing Discord community full of serious day traders who are crushing it every single day. So be sure and join us, because right now we're having a special where you can join right now with a buy now, pay later option and get it all instantly for less than the cost of what most people spend on a cup of coffee every day. So thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes today and talking about SBFM. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, be sure and click the like button, subscribe, and remember guys, stay focused, trade structured, and only trade what's qualified. And I'll see you in the next video.